Now, this is the heart of somatic experiencing, and it's the work that we do inside of the School of Transformation. We don't just learn how to understand trauma, but we learn how to transform it together. Let's do a simple but powerful exercise together that helps you to begin learning how to start working with your implicit memory. So remember, explicit memory, words, logic, thoughts. One of the main ways that our implicit memory communicates with us is through sensation. So let's start what I'll call the glimmer files, because that's the other thing. Our subconscious learns through repetition plus emotion. It's not the one thing you feel, it's the accumulation that helps strengthen an experience. And it's very much like working out physically. It's not the one time you go to the gym, but it's the consistency that transforms your muscles. So that being said, let's do the exercise. Make sure that you're not going to be interrupted for the next 2 to 5 minutes. Get comfortable in your seat and just pause. Pause for a moment. If it feels right, you can either close your eyes or find something in your space that allows you to have a soft focus. Notice the air on your skin, seeing if it's either warm or cool, and gently bring your awareness to your body without trying to change anything, just noticing what is. Notice different areas that are still. Notice areas that might feel more heavy, tight. Just observing without judgment. And now recall a glimmer or a micro moment. It doesn't matter how small, but any moment in time when you felt calm, safe, or connected. Again, it doesn't have to be anything big. It could be the sun on your face yesterday, or the way a friend smiled, or the peace you experienced when you were alone drinking your coffee this morning. But really allow yourself to almost relive that moment and see if you can feel the calm right now, just by reliving it. And you really want to use your senses. What did you taste? What did you see? What did you hear? And now, drop your awareness down into your body and notice, where do you feel that glimmer in your body? Is there a warmth in your chest? A softening in your shoulder? A deepening of your breath? Really notice it. This is how we help our nervous system to taste safety. So see if you can breathe with it. Stay here for 30 seconds, allowing your body to relearn that this moment, this sensation is safe. By doing so, you're giving your implicit memory a new file. It's small, but this is how we rewire from the bottom up. If it feels comfortable, let me know in the comments below what you experienced. And remember to be patient with yourself as you're doing this work. This work takes time. It takes gentleness. It takes guidance and practice. And remember, true healing isn't just about insight and knowledge and learning, it's about embodiment. So if you're ready to stop reliving the past and start creating new patterns from the inside out, come check out our live weekly Zoom meetings.